Today, we're diving into a super important topic that affects millions of people around the world: recovering a hacked Gmail account. Imagine losing access to your emails, personal files, and everything tied to your Google account. You try to log into your Gmail, and boom, you're locked out. Maybe your password's been changed, or you notice suspicious activity. Here's what you need to do to recover your account. First, try to log in as you normally would. Go to the gmailsaccounts.google.com, enter your email and password. If the hacker hasn't changed your credentials yet, you might still be able to access your account. If you can log in, immediately change your password. But what if you can't log in? The hacker may have already changed your password. That's when you need to use Google's account recovery tool. Here's how. Go to the Google account recovery page, accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. Enter your email and hit next. Click forgot password and follow the steps. At this point, Google will ask you to verify your identity. If you've set up a recovery email or phone number, they'll send a code for verification. Check those and enter the code when prompted. If you receive a code on your phone or recovery email, you'll need to enter it on the recovery page. But what if the hacker has changed your recovery info or you don't have access to it anymore? Don't worry, there's still hope. If you're trying to recover your account from a device that you've previously signed into, Google may ask you to confirm your identity using that device. This is a great option if your recovery email or phone number has been tampered with. Google will recognize your old device and use it as proof that you are the rightful account owner. Now, once you've regained access to your Gmail, you need to secure it immediately. Change your password to something strong and unique. Next, check your account recovery info and make sure your recovery email and phone number haven't been changed. Check for any suspicious activity in the recent security events section. Lastly, remove unauthorized devices from the Your Devices list. And most importantly, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code from your phone whenever you sign in. To enable 2FA, go to Security, then scroll down to Signing into Google and click Two-Step Verification. Follow the steps to add your phone as the second authentication factor. In rare cases, if you're still having trouble recovering your Gmail account or suspect the hacker is still inside, you can report your account as hacked directly to Google. Google's security team will look into it. Once you've secured your Gmail, take a moment to check all your other accounts, especially your banking, social media, or any account tied to your email. If your Gmail was hacked, other accounts could be at risk too. Recovering a hacked Gmail account is totally possible, but the key is acting fast. Follow these steps, secure your account, and take preventative measures to avoid getting hacked in the future. Did this video help you recover your Gmail account? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cybersecurity tips to keep you safe online. Stay secure, everyone.